Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my Mother's Day wish list. And so this wish list is off of Amazon, and if you didn't know, you can actually make a wish list on Amazon and share it with your friends and family. I've done this with Elizabeth, with Richard, like so many things, and it's just a great way to, share your list. They don't have to buy it off of Amazon, but it gives them some ideas on what you want for your birthday, Christmas, things like that. I've also made a whole bunch of wish lists on Amazon, so I've made like under $50, under $25, which I think I might do in the future. I love watching Amazon videos, but today I thought I would share with you guys my Mother's Day wish list. So these are items that I think mothers would love to have. And I'm also going to share with you in my order history things I've bought from Amazon, and I love them, and I would definitely recommend them as a Mother's Day gift. So let's get started. So the first one I have on here is the iClean Mini Natural All-Purpose House Clean Cleaner. It is $349, so it is pricey, but it's supposed to be this really amazing like all-purpose household cleaner, and it replaces wipes and cleaning supplies, disinfecting spray for home, floor, toilet, kitchen. So you can even like clean like your cutting board with them before you like do your vegetables and things like that. But yeah, I just thought it was a really cool product. Somebody I know recommended it to me, but it is a lot of money, so it's not something I would just like go out and buy for myself. Another thing too is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. That is on my wish list. It's just I've heard really good things about this camera. It's 919 Canadian dollars, and it has the flip screen, so when you're vlogging, things like that, you can see yourself. So I know that one is not necessarily for every mother out there, but if you enjoy vlogging, that might be a camera to pick up. I also have the Tenneco iFloor cordless wet dry vacuum cleaner. So you can use it as a steamer or as a vacuum cleaner, which I think is really cool, and retails for $222.90. The other one I have on here was the Wani 10.5 portable dual DVD players with 2 mounting devices, and it's $142.99, and they're DVD players that you can put in your car for your kids, maybe have some sanity right while you're driving if your car doesn't come with it equipped. But it's cool because I like it because the DVD player is like, it's not on the front, so I mean my toddler would probably press the buttons, but chances of them like opening it is like low, I feel like. I also have on here the Clarisonic Mia Prima Face Brush Device with Sonic Cleansing. This is $139. Once again, not an item I would just like pick up at the store, but I think it's a nice treat, and it's supposed to be really good at cleansing your skin and getting all that makeup off. The other thing I have on here is a massage chair. This one retails for $99.99, but I think any sort of like massager would be nice. The other thing I also have on here are like AirPods for your ears. I just love how small and portable they are. I do love my Dr. Dre Beats, don't get me wrong, but I think this would be nice to have in your ear. It's like not as noticeable. Now these ones aren't necessarily by Apple, but these are the Soundcore Anchor Liberty Air True wireless headphones. They got 4 to 5 reviews, and these ones are $120. The other one I put on here, which is my last one, is a Michael Kors Woman Stainless Steel Quartz Watch with leather. It's 4.5 stars, $146.25 is the price, and I just think it's really beautiful, classy. It's not chunky, and I think it just looks really nice. So now I'm going to go into my orders and my history and share with you guys products that I've loved and I think are really cool. So one of the things I needed to mention are these, and I'm just going to put the name here because I can't pronounce it, but it comes with 14 different colored scrunchies, and I love them. I have one in my hair right now, and I just think they're a lot of fun to add in your hair. So if you think if you're a scrunchie gal, check on Amazon. They have a lot of like cute scrunchies, or just in general. I also purchased a travel makeup bag, and I really like it. I keep all my makeup in here now, and it doesn't seem cluttered. If I need to like carry it and bring it into a different room to do my makeup, I can, and it's not a big deal. Another one, which I happen to have right here, and so far I've really liked it, is the Possibility Mom, How to Be a Great Mom and Pursue Your Dreams at the Same Time. So far, I've really liked it. So if you're a mom and you're just like needing some inspiration and motivation on how to do it all, this might be the book for you. And it's by Lisa Canning. I also purchased a like Gucci belt inspired, so if you kind of like that trend right now but you just aren't willing to pay the price, I have bought it recently, and I really like it. I've been using it for a couple weeks now, maybe even almost a month, and I love it. Another one that my camera died, so I had to change the battery, but the other thing I was going to talk about was my neck pillow that I got. This was awesome. I love it. If your husband gives you massages or your wife or whoever, this is a really nice Mother's Day gift to yourself as well. Another item that I bought that I really, really like are these glasses, and they are $25, and they're for blue light, so when I'm on the computer, I really like using this. I notice a difference. So if you're somebody that's on the computer a lot or your phone, but you don't need prescription glasses, these are really, really nice. The other thing I got, let's go through my list. Oh, I love these acne, they're by Leva Clean acne patches. They really, really work, and they're nice because they're not that noticeable on your face. You can like walk around the house with them, and you can't even really tell that you're wearing them. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh my gosh, I loved this purse, but I use it in the wintertime because it's black. And it kind of looks like the Gucci purse, but it's like inspired. And I bought it on Amazon, but something happened and I couldn't get it. But I ended up getting it at Joe Fresh. So I'm still going to show it because I know I've seen these purses out and about in public, and you can just like look for like Gucci inspired purses. That one's really amazing. Another thing I really liked off of Amazon were my bamboo makeup remover pads. They work really good, and I can just throw them in the wash and reuse them. I also bought this stainless steel insulated wine glass that my sister, I bought for my sister, and she loves it. And they come in such cute like colors and patterns and stuff. And I think it was only like $22. And that is it. That is everything for my Mother's Day wish list. I hope this gave you guys some ideas. I tried to like put in things that were like all like, you know, expensive but also not expensive. Something else I didn't put on here is the Dyson cordless vacuum. I think it's amazing. I bought it for me and my sisters bought it for my mom for Mother's Day a couple years ago, and she loves it. It's still awesome to this day. Personally couldn't do it, but I wanted a cordless vacuum, so I bought the Dirt Devil one, which is still okay. It's not as amazing as the Dyson in my opinion, but I just have carpet on my stairs, so for what I need it for, it's perfect. My parents don't have carpet, but they're vacuuming all the time, and their in-house built-in vacuum was like not working, and this is just easier for them. They can just like quickly vacuum a spot when they need to. So that is everything for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope everyone has a wonderful Mother's Day, and I thought this was a good idea too, especially with everything going on. Not all of us have access to certain stores right now, so I thought this one might be a good idea for the hubbies or the wifeys, whoever you're married to or with. If they still want to make you feel special on your day, then maybe they can go on Amazon and get something. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.